recipe video. I love having eggs in the morning, but having it the same way every single day makes it quite boring for me. So I keep experimenting with recipes to keep my breakfast exciting. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe of my pita pocket sandwiches with eggs. It just takes few minutes to put everything together, but it's so delicious that I promise you will want to make this repeatedly. So let's go to the recipe. For this recipe, we need 1/4 of red bell pepper sliced, a handful of baby spinach, 4 slices of jalapenos for garnishing, 1 pita bread which I have cut from the center and separated the pockets, and 3 eggs with 2 tablespoons of milk and some salt and pepper. Also we'll be needing these 2 cheese slices. I'm using American cheese, but you can use any cheese of your choice. We begin by applying a little bit of butter in the pan and just warming these pita breads on from both the sides. We don't have to brown them, we just going to warm it up and bring in some more color. The bread looks good at this point, and we're going to keep this aside and begin with cooking the eggs. I'm going to drizzle 1 teaspoon of oil in the pan. We want the flame to be high. The pan is hot and we're going to put the red bell peppers in there. The reason we want the pan to be hot is that because we don't want to make these bell peppers very soft, but we still want that brownish black charred color on them. As you can see, there are brownish black color coming in all the bell peppers. Now this is the time we lower the flame and add the spinach. We'll just give it a few seconds. That's about it, and now we're going to add in the egg mixture. We are almost making like a scrambly egg, but we don't want that brown color on the eggs, so we'll keep mixing very gently. Once the egg mixture is 3/4 cooked, we're going to add the cheese slices and we'll cover it for the cheese to melt. As you can see, the cheese has nicely melted. So this egg mixture is going to make 2 sandwiches. So we'll make this into 2 parts and make the sandwich. How beautiful and colorful this sandwich looks. Now we're going to just garnish it with these jalapenos. These beautiful pita bread sandwiches are ready to eat. That is it. How easy was that? I hope you'll give this recipe a try, and if you happen to like it, don't forget to like this video and stay tuned. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.